Hey everybody, this is Caleb with AZ Offroading Rides and Events. Today we've got about a dozen rigs hitting Bulldog Canyon for a night ride. Bulldog Canyon is a 10-mile long trail and is located in Tonto National Forest near Apache, Junction, Arizona. I wanted to give a special shout out to my new friend Matt Martin for organizing this run. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoy. Thank you again, Matt, for putting this ride together. If you'd like to join us on future group rides, you can find us on Facebook at AZ Offroading Rides and Events. I'd appreciate it if you left this video a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you all in the next one.